Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram lag on Android. To know how to fix Instagram lag on Android, you should just go to settings. As you see, you will click like this. After that, in this page, you will go to apps. And when you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here. There is like this. And when you will find this page, you will click for stop. Then you will enter to storage. After all that, you will click clear cache. Then here you will click clear data. And then you can know how to fix Instagram lag on Android. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for watching.